This recipe, you guys, is just a beef cheesesteak recipe, and you can modify it, but this is the basic principles of it. You get some beef and slice it super thin. I mean, just razor thin. And do this in a day in advance or a couple hours in advance or whenever, and then marinate it in something your choice: teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, any kind of marinade. And marinate it in something for an hour or two, doesn't really matter. It'll just kind of help tenderize the meat and put some flavor into it. And then you're gonna just fast cook it on a high heat or a medium high heat skillet. And then on your vegetables on the other side, get 2 skillets. On your vegetables, peppers, onions, red onions, yellow onions, hot peppers, jalapenos, sweet peppers, anything you want to put in there. Just marinate your favorite vegetable. So today for my beef steak sandwich, I'm just going to use peppers and onions, and I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, paprika. You can put a little bit of cayenne in there. If you don't have any garlic cloves chopped up or anything like that, put a little bit of garlic powder in there. But marinate those vegetables now to your likeness. I like mine still crunchy. I'm not talking like slice it and eat it crunchy, but still crunch. If you saute these too long, they will get soft and there will be no crunch. You may like it like that, so do it like that. So that takes care of your meats and your vegetables. So the next thing you want to do is think about what kind of bread you want to use. I just use French bread or a twin loaf and cut it in half and open it up. And that's perfectly fine. You can use any kind of bread you want. Then the next thing you're going to do, you can put mayonnaise on it. You can put mustard on it. You can add some pepperoncinis or something like that, or pickles. But on these sandwiches I'm making today, we're just going to do mayonnaise, and then we're going to put the vegetables in the meat, and then we're going to top them with raclette cheese. That's melted raclette. Not everybody has melted raclette cheese, so top it with American cheese, mozzarella cheese, Munster, Colby Jack. If you do that, my suggestion is to shred it up fresh and then put it on top. Open that sandwich up, put your meat, your vegetables, put all that cheese on top, stick it in the oven, 3-4 minutes on broil, and melt it. Perfect. I make those all the time. Just today we're putting raclette on them, so this is how it goes. We make the sandwich, we make the meat, we make the vegetables, open the bread up, we pile it high with the vegetables and meat as much as you want, put some mayonnaise on there, and then I just scrape the raclette on it and fold it up, and this is amazing. You can do this at home. It's super simple. It's a great hot dinner or a hot lunch, whatever you want it for, snack time, midnight snack. I like these anytime, and they're simple, and they're delicious, they taste good. What I really like is to top them with this Cowboy candy. And it is basically jalapenos that have been candied with vinegar and sugar, and they're hot and they're sweet and they're so good, and they make every sandwich better. So try these sometime. Go to my website, Delicious Feel Good Foods and Recipes, and I have the recipe to this, or you can look it up online someplace else. Super simple. You can make them with store-bought jalapenos, or you can grow your own like I did. It's very simple. But here comes the kicker on this one. Raclette cheese that I've melted. Look at that scrape. That cheese is so gooey and melty and delicious. It has a creamy, nutty, kind of a pungent flavor. A little bit like Swiss cheese. It is just delicious. Don't forget, I make a whole bunch of recipes with raclette cheese. If you want to see some of them, go to my website. Check it out. Again, one thing I want to remind you, all my recipes on my channel are easy to make. You can make them at home. You make them with what you got in your kitchen. Buy a few extra things every now and then, but easy recipes and delicious. I'll see you guys over there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, God bless and be good.